talking to women who are empowered that are Filipina here on the show. Kasama natin si Isabel Rivas. We were talking to Isabel about her very colorful career as an antagonist sa Pilipinas. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang role bilang isang ina. Alright, so Isabel, you have a son. Let's talk about when you became a mom. You became a mom at a very young age,
Yes,
diba?
I was just 17 years old. Can you imagine that? Oh my gosh. I was 16, almost turning 17, and then at 17, nanganak na ako. So I really had to work early. I dreamed because of my child. So sabi ko, gusto ko magtrabaho. Talagang inabot ko yung gusto kong ma-achieve for my son.
Yes,
Richard.
what a driving force,
Yes.
right? Okay, bilang isang working mother at a young age with a son to support, there must be a lot of pressure, lalo na sa showbiz, di
Oh
ba?
my gosh. Hindi ako natutulog on my I would say on my first 5 years of my career. I was really not sleeping well. Most of the time I was just sleeping in the car kasi from one location to another para syempre makuha mo lahat yung gusto mong, you know, as they say, strike while the iron is hot. So at that time, syempre trabaho ka ng trabaho. Locations mo is from Pampanga to Batangas, and dadaan ka lang sa bahay to oversee your son and all, and then trabaho ka naman ulit. Tulog ka lang sa kotse.
Oo, yun yung
Inabot ko
hindi
yun.
nakikita ng mga tao. Akala nila, ay, showbiz,
No.
artista, di ba? Pero talagang mahirap ang trabaho, di ba?
Pero love will push you to that working habits na gusto mo kasi mahal mo yung career mo, mahal mo yung anak mo, mahal mo yung pamilya mo eh.
Yes, that's very inspirational, di ba? Being that, alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, ang showbiz you know, minsan may project, minsan hindi. Kailan mo sinabi sa sarili mo na gusto ko maging businesswoman?
I think in the late 90s, towards or the middle of 90s, and I was parang nakaka-feel na ako that, you know, work is getting slower and slower, and then there were a lot of women who was parang entering showbiz already, and competition was very fierce. So I said, what am I gonna do? I was praying and praying. Of course, you know, you can only pray to God na i-guide ka at your life will be, you know, a success in the end. It's not naman at that time hindi lang naman ngayon. It's when you're older. Yun ang para sa akin doon ang barometer ng success. So
Hindi lang ngayon.
no, it's not now. Para sa akin, hindi yun ngayon.
But this is something that women really need to realize that,
Yeah.
you know, it's not just about the present.
Yeah.
It's about thinking what's ahead of us in the future.
It's how you really plan your future. How do you see yourself? Like where I am right now, I saw this when I was 25. I dreamt of this. Everything that's happening to me, lahat yun din, I dreamt of it.
So plinano mo talaga to get to this point, di ba? Because you are one of the few actresses that has had a very good career, and yet you've taken steps to become a businesswoman.
Yes, I would say I just dreamt of it and prayed for it. Yung planning, I couldn't really plan because wala ka naman degree, wala ka naman anything. Your life is not set. So you can only just dream and pray and pray.
Okay.
So I think that's the formula I had when I was younger.
So the great thing about being a businesswoman is you decided to go back to where you grew up.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
So Isabel owns a farm. Farmer po itong napakagandang babae na to sa Iba, Zambales.
Yes, I went during the time when sabi ko nga nung medyo mahina na yung showbiz career ko. I decided to just go back to my hometown, and my mom died first, no? My mom died, and then I went home and sabi ko, my goodness, what am I gonna do in Manila? It's getting too congested. I better look for something in the province. So, doon naman, sinagot naman ng Diyos yung mga dasal ko, and then all of a sudden, somebody offered me a land. And I said, what am I gonna do with the land? I don't even know anything about land.
Oh.
And then I just bought it, pikit mata, and then I started to do it. Alam mo, I just woke up one day, I had a beautiful farm pala.
At
With a
hindi lang-
beautiful view.
Hindi lang beautiful farm, paradise ang tawag sa
Yes.
kanya.
Kasi nga, everything is there. It's an integrated farm. You have fish, you have all the animals, and then our main business is chickens. We supply chickens to the market.
Yan, di ba?
Yeah.
At saka, pag nasa Pilipinas ka, pag nasa Manila, very busy ang life, di ba? Traffic.
Yeah.
But you get an opportunity to
Yes.
go back to your province kung nasaan yung business mo.
For 3.5 hours of drive, I get to have my paradise. You know, you have clean air, clean water, clean living. Everything is there. The food is fresh. And then you have the view of the mountain, ano ba pangalan ng mountain namin? Sierra Madre.
Ay.
Sierra Madre mountain ranges. So it's really, really beautiful.
Alright.
I always
Kailangan
say,
makapunta tayo
oh,
dyan.
you have to. You have
Alright.
to when you go to Manila.
Okay.
I always say, G, it's God's gift to me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, when we return, kasama pa rin natin si Isabel Rivas. Don't go away, we'll be right back.